Hello, Billy Cord, CarolinaCircleMall.org. Well, someday I will be. But, this package just arrived and mailed this morning. It's, Saturday, September 8th of 2012. It's, a package I've been expecting for a while. It's for my good friends up in Kentucky, who graciously sent me a very rare Dell Latitude CPi, which is designed for Windows 95, so that means I can take my vintage computer games on the road now. And I can, and I think there's also a set of speakers in here too. So, let's go ahead and unwrap it without slicing my hand off. That would get me good ratings, but I'll lose a hand in the process, so. As much as I love unboxing videos, I'm certainly not good at them. Maybe I can just peel the tape off. Yeah, there we go. I'm concealing the address with a thrift store find from a couple months ago. A rare tape of one of my childhood game shows, Double Dare from Nickelodeon. Oh, you kidding me? I missed a piece of tape there. There we go. Oh, come on. Okay, we'll get it someday. There we go. This one you think you got it. Okay, here we go. Alright, some Kentucky newspaper, part of the power cord for the laptop. Here are the speakers. These will make good test workbench computers. I mean speakers, that is. And, okay, here's another part of the laptop plug and the plug for the speakers. And finally, the coup de grace, whatever that means, the laptop. You may remember my good friend Jay Wakefield. He has one of these. Ah, yeah, look at that. A Dell Latitude CPi. It doesn't have a floppy drive because it's a modular drive, so it has a CD-ROM though. Hopefully it can boot off of that. And it's missing the battery. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Quality 90s engineering here, and it looks like it's hardly been used. Side of it. Looks like it has a card in here. Let's see what it is. If I can get it out. It's a 3Com 56K dial-up modem card. I remember these little cards. Very necessary for laptops back in the 90s if you wanted them to get online. By the time they started putting them built in, high-speed internet took over. Here's the bottom. And okay, I'm gonna pause this and we're gonna see if we can boot it up. Okay, I found another Dell cable that was already unwrapped and plugged in, so for now I'm just gonna use it. No lights. Okay, we got power. Oh yeah. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Ooh, this. It would appear the CMOS battery is dead. I hope it can be replaced. I know, and laptops are a little hard to get to. And We got Windows 2000 Professional on here, which will be replaced with Windows 95. And by the way, it has a 233 megahertz Pentium MMX processor. And I forget the rest of the specs. I'll check it in a second. There will be a more in-depth video on this once I get everything rocking and rolling on here. Told me the password for it, but I forget what it is, so we're not going to get much further, but it works. That's all that matters, and I'm going to see if I can get this restored to Windows 95, get all the drivers on here, and maybe do a more in-depth review of this computer when I get the chance. So for now, this is Billy Core signing off, and thank you very much.